Today's wine text is the 2016 Amapola Creek Cabernet Sauvignon from Sonoma County. Specifically, everything that's sourced going in this wine comes from the Moon Mountain AVA. So one of the big parts about Amapola Creek that makes them special is their winemaker and owner, Richard Arrowwood, who's been in the region for 50 plus years, specifically making wines in this exact place. He hasn't specialized anywhere else in the world. He is the focal point of making exceptional wines within Sonoma. This is a super classic cab, all estate-owned group grapes, so he owns everything that he makes, all the grapes that when he makes his wines. And really for Sonoma, drinks much more like the Napa style Cabernet. So you're gonna get an extremely great value here. All red fruit up front, lots of dark plum, cassis. Definitely spend some time in oak where you get a lot of that vanilla spice. And I think you could definitely drink it in its younger years. I think this is a great wine to kind of open, decant, let it open up and kind of evolve over time. But also has the structure to last 15, 20 years, maybe even 25 years down the line. So if you wanted something for a special occasion, this is really good for that too. Richard Arrowwood doesn't mess around in Sonoma County. He makes exceptional wines, and he's known as one of the most legendary winemakers. So expect this to have a lot of body and a lot of structure that you find in that kind of $100 price point when you start talking about Napa Valley wines. Super delicious, really great stuff. I love anything that Richard Arrowwood makes, so this wine's going to be exceptional. Enjoy.